Calculating solar panel needs. This document provides a step-by-step guide to help you determine the number of solar panels required for your energy needs. By following these calculations, you can assess your annual energy usage, consider local sunlight conditions, and ultimately decide on the appropriate solar panel system size for your home or business. 1. Determine annual energy usage. Start by reviewing your electricity bills to calculate your total annual kilowatt-hour (kWh) consumption. This figure represents the amount of energy you use over the course of a year and is crucial for sizing your solar panel system. 2. Consider peak sunlight hours. Next, assess the average number of peak sunlight hours your location receives per day. Peak sunlight hours are defined as the hours during which sunlight is strong enough to generate maximum solar energy. This information can typically be found through local weather data or solar energy resources. 3. Calculate daily energy needs. To find your average daily energy consumption, divide your total annual energy usage, in kWh, by 365 days. This will give you a clearer picture of how much energy you need to generate on a daily basis. 4. Calculate the required system size. To ensure your solar panel system can accommodate fluctuations in sunlight and inefficiencies, factor in a 25% cushion. Multiply your average daily energy needs by 1.25 to determine the required system size in kWh. 5. Determine panel wattage. Choose the appropriate wattage for the solar panels based on your required system size and the available roof space. Common panel wattages range from 250 W to 400 watts. Selecting the right wattage will depend on your energy needs and the physical constraints of your installation area. 6. Calculate the number of panels. Finally, divide your required system size, in watts, by the wattage of each panel to determine the total number of panels needed. This calculation will help you finalize your solar panel system design and ensure you have enough capacity to meet your energy demands. By following these steps, you can effectively calculate your solar panel needs and make informed decisions about your solar energy system.